people, welcome back to my channel. This is Karina. In today's episode of our video, we'll be creating my 5-minute makeup look, fresh look. But before that, I would like to start to put an eye mask on under my eye because I have a puppy eye today, puppy in dry eye today. And using the eye mask is actually helps me to look more fresh. And then after that, I'm gonna massage my face using my Reva. Don't forget to massage your face before you do your skincare routine or before you do your makeup, because when you massage your face, it actually helps you to have an instant glowing skin. So when you massage your face, after that one, it makes your face looks more calm because all those tight muscles around my face will be released. So let's start with the sunblock. Don't forget to use sunblock because at this period of time, this must be our best friend, sunblock. And this also helps to give you a dewy look. And this kind of sunblock doesn't give a white cast. What does it mean, a white cast? White cast means, you know, when you take picture and there's a white flashback on your picture, so that means flashback. Next, I'll be using my orange corrector and my concealer. Why orange? Orange because I have a little bit dark around my eyes, around my nose, and around my lips. And dark orange color or peach color, it actually helps to brighten a little bit my dark spot area. And of course, don't forget to blend well. For my foundation, I decided to mix my foundation with my MAC strobe in color gold. Normally, I use the strobe before my foundation, but today I'm gonna mix them together.
On a Sunday, when nobody's waiting on a call, and if we want a sunray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Could save our energy for
Step will be pressed powder. I've only placed my pressed powder around my T-zone area. And for the eye, I will be only using my liquid liner, and I'm gonna be creating a soft cut eye for natural look.
Start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometime.
And for the lips, I'll be using lip moisturizer because this is one of my best friend. I have a very dried lips and I cannot live without lip moisturizer or lip balm. And for the lip product, I'm not going to be using lipstick. I will be using a lip liner only because I feel like will be enough for today. And to finish the look, I would like to tie up my hair. To tie up your hair like this, it also gives you a instant facial lift, and it also makes you look more fresh, especially in the summer. And this is my 5 minutes fresh look makeup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me to my next video.